Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to permanently delete your account on the Remind app. This process is simple, but important to follow carefully. If you no longer want to use Remind, first, open the Remind app on your device. Next, look at the top left corner and click on the three-line menu icon. Then look at the Settings icon and click on it. Then click on your account. After entering your account settings, scroll down until you find the option to delete your account. Tap on Delete Account. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping the Delete button. Once completed, your account will be permanently removed from the Remind app. If this guide helped you, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.